Struggling to make Salesforce truly work for your business? Are you looking to elevate your business operations with Salesforce Development in 2025? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Salesforce is a leading cloud-based CRM platform trusted by businesses worldwide. It automates tedious tasks, helps you manage customer relationships effectively, and streamlines your business processes. Ranked the #1 CRM for over a decade, Salesforce is more than just software. It's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. But here's the catch. While Salesforce is powerful, its true potential is unlocked through custom development tailored to your business needs. Custom Salesforce development allows you to adapt the platform to your workflows, optimize CRM processes, and scale your operations as your business grows. Why invest in custom Salesforce development? Let's break it down. Seamless integration. Connect Salesforce with tools to minimize errors and save time. Scalable solutions. Easily add new features as your business expands, ensuring efficient growth. Enhanced user experience. Automate tasks, allowing the team to focus on high-value activities. Actionable insights. Organize and analyze data for smarter, data-driven business decisions. Cost-effective. Streamline processes while reducing dependency on third-party software tools. To achieve these benefits, custom Salesforce development relies on several core components. Apex, Salesforce's proprietary language for automating processes and building scalable applications. Visualforce, design dynamic, data-driven interfaces for seamless user interactions. Lightning Components, create modern, fast, and accessible UI elements for your Salesforce apps. SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language. Efficiently search, manage, and report on Salesforce data. Salesforce APIs. Seamlessly connect Salesforce with other applications and automate data flow. The development process follows 5 crucial phases: requirement gathering and analysis, identify business needs, goals, and essential features, design and planning, draft blueprints for data models, workflows, and UI layouts, development and customization, build, configure, and integrate Salesforce solutions, testing and deployment. Test thoroughly and deploy smoothly with minimal disruption, training and support. Train users and provide ongoing maintenance for optimal performance. Each phase ensures the solution is aligned with your business objectives and delivers measurable results. When choosing a Salesforce partner, expertise, client testimonials, scalability, and post-development support are critical. That's why global brands trust Cloud Analogy. Our certified Salesforce developers deliver end-to-end solutions, from implementation and customization to integration and ongoing support, ensuring your Salesforce system always runs at its best. Ready to elevate your business with custom Salesforce development? Contact Cloud Analogy today and transform your CRM experience.